Let's take a look at letter D, and again a reminder that we can't take the square root of negative 100 until we deal with the negative that's underneath the square root. And the square root of negative 1 is I, and for the square root of 100 we need to break it down. But 100 is 10 times 10. Again, 100 is a perfect square, so we could break down 10 farther. But what we're looking for is we're looking for 2 of the same value to take out 1. So we're going to take out a 10. We're done with the 10s. We have nothing left in the square root. This is I times 10, which is better written with a coefficient of 10i. Letter E, we saw something similar in letter C. But what we need to do is we need to break this apart. This is the square root of 40, break the fraction apart, divided by the square root of 49. So we're going to take the square root of 40, which means we're going to make our factor tree. So when we make our factor tree, it's 4 times 10, you could have picked 5 times 8, it's not going to make any difference. This is 2 times 2, and 2 times 5. And what we're looking for is we're looking for 2 of the same value to take out 1. 2 2s, we're going to take out 1. Then we still have left a 2, a single 2, and a single 5 underneath, so this is 2 times 5. So this is 2 square root of 10. We multiplied the 2 and the 5 together. Well, that's just the top of the fraction. We also need to do the square root of 49, and if you need to, the square root of 49 is 7 times 7. And again, 2 of the same to take out 1 gives us a 7. We're done with this. We're done with the 7s. We don't have any square root there, so our answer for this problem is 2 square root of 10 divided by 7. Lastly, this is 7 times the square root of 425. So we need to figure out something that goes into 425, and I'm going to pick 5. And it's 5 times 85. If we break down 85, we get 5 times 17. So here's our values. 425 is the same thing as 5 times 5 times 17. And what we're looking for is we're looking for 2 of the same value to take out 1. So we're going to take out a 5. We still have the square root of 17. It's single. We can't take that out from underneath the square root. Don't forget that there was a 7 out in front here. So this is 7 times 5, which is 35, square root of 17, which is our solution to this problem.